Build anything with Gemma 4. Here's how. Google dropped a free AI that runs on your phone, builds apps, writes code, thinks for itself. Nobody's talking about it. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what Gemma 4 is, why it's a big deal, and how I'm using it to grow the AI Profit Boardroom right now. This is not a chatbot. This is something different. Stay with me. Google just released it in April 2026. It is open. It is free. And it runs on your phone, your laptop, or a full data center. You pick. Subscription. API key. Just download it, and if you don't want to download, you can simply use this in Google AI Studio. Amazing, right? First, let me back up and explain what Gemma actually is, because a lot of people confuse it with Gemini. Gemma is Google's open model family. Gemini is their closed cloud model. Gemma is the free version they release for developers and creators to download and run themselves. Gemma 4 is the newest generation, dropped in April 2026, and it is the most capable version they have ever released. Handles coding, math, logic, multi-step reasoning, and agentic workflows. And it does all of this for free. Okay, so how do you actually use it? You go to Google AI Studio, you create a new prompt, you pick the Gemma model, and you start. That is the whole setup. Complicated installs for basic testing. So open the browser and go. Number 1, landing page generation. Would open up Gemma 4 and type this exact prompt. Design a new landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom that converts visitors into members, explains the value of AI automation for growing a business, and makes it crystal clear why someone should join the community today. And it writes the full HTML, the CSS, the layout, the copy. Everything in seconds. Landing page that would normally take a developer hours. I can take that, put it live, and start driving traffic to it. That is a real use case. A theory, not a fake example. That is how you actually use this. So 2, Gym mode. This one is where Gemma 4 really separates itself from other free models. We type this. Act as an autonomous agent. Your goal is to help grow the AI Profit Boardroom. Break this task into steps and execute them one by one. Task. Create a content plan for the next 30 days that helps attract new members, shows the power of AI automation, and gives real value to the audience. And it does not just answer. That is what makes this different. Here is why that matters so much. Most AI tools just give you an answer. You ask a question, you get a response, done. That is still you doing all the thinking. With agent mode, Gemma 4 is doing the strategic thinking for you. It is not just filling in a blank. It is mapping out a plan, sequencing the steps, and giving you something you can actually execute. Mode 3, debugging and content creation combined. This is something I would use every week for the AI Profit Boardroom. I am building an automation tool for our members. Simple app that helps them track their AI workflows. Write some JavaScript, breaks, paste it into Gemma 4 and say this. Fix this code and explain what went wrong so I can learn from it. Fixes it. Explains the bug. It teaches me while it solves the problem. That is insane for a free tool running on my laptop. Whole process becomes a video just like this one. You are not just solving a problem. You are creating value for your audience at the same time. That is how you build a community that keeps growing. You document the work. You share the learning. You let people see the real process. And Gemma 4 makes that whole loop faster because it explains its own reasoning as it goes. Here is the truth. Free. This is genuinely impressive. And the fact that it runs locally means your data stays on your machine. Sending prompts to a third-party cloud. For anyone building business tools or working with sensitive information, that matters a lot. But let me zoom out for a second because I want to give you the bigger picture. What Gemma 4 actually represents is not just a new model. It is a signal. AI is going local. AI is going free. AI is going autonomous. There is the direction everything is heading. And the people who learn how to use these tools right now are going to be way ahead of everyone else. Gemma 4 is just one piece of it. So here is what I want you to do right now. To Google AI Studio. It is free to access. Pick the Gemma model. Try one of the 3 prompts I gave you today. Landing page 1, the agent one, or the debugging one. Google just made powerful AI free for everyone. The question is not whether you should use it. The question is how fast you start. See you in the next one.